one of the largest lots, 1.33 acres, located on a corner lot in desirable Ballenger Woods. You are sure to be impressed. The Grand Chelmsford model built by Chuisano Builders is 4,240 square feet of living space and approximately 1,800 square feet in the finished basement. This is a great floor plan consisting of an office, living and dining room. Off the living room is an additional sunroom, 15'8 by 13'8. The gourmet IK has stainless steel appliances including an exhaust fan which vents to the outside, 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, and a huge L-shaped center island. There is also a breakfast nook and an addl sunroom located off the breakfast nook. There are hardwood floors throughout along with ceiling fans and custom window treatments. The family room overlooks the IK which has a fireplace and built-ins on each side. The dual staircase leads upstairs to a huge master bed with a sitting room, 13'8 by 12'10, a 3-sided gas peninsula fireplace, and 2 large his and her walk-in closets. The master bath has a large jacuzzi soaking tub, double sinks, and a separate shower. The other 3 beds are all generous in size with plenty of closets. There is also a shared full bath in the hallway. The full finished basement is an added bonus. This is a perfect setup for an in-law quarters or if you have extended family. There is a bedroom, full bath with a steam shower, kitchen setup, workout area.